Okay, guys, it is another beautiful week, and of course, it is important we check out the assets, all the charts, one after the other, so that we get to know what the market is giving to us this week. And we'll be doing this together. And this is very, very important because you get to learn the same strategy which I am using, and of course, you get to know how I analyze my chart and how I'm able to generate the signals, the same signals that I post on the Telegram channel, so that you too can also do the same thing on your own. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Before I do so, okay, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me on, within the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. If you have a personal question, I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, we will be checking out some assets together. This is GainX 1200 on 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So this actually gave us a downtrend signal at this resistance zone. When it got to this resistance zone, I always tell you something each time I am doing my videos. One thing I also try to focus on, apart from the trend, is it at the resistance zone or is it at the support zone? Okay, if it is at the major resistance zone, then I should know that two things can happen from there. Is either there is a breakout above the resistance zone, or there is a switch into the other trend, that is from an uptrend into a downtrend. The same thing is applicable to when the market is at this major support zone. There are two things that can happen from there. Okay, it's either there is a breakout below the support region, or it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, so that is why I always tell you, once you are able to identify these, then you will, or you are most likely to get your trade right in most cases. Okay, for instance, this actually got to the resistance zone at this point. You can imagine you setting up your trade signal at this point. You place your order at this point, set up your stop loss at the top, and this had been selling since then. You can imagine right from here to this very moment, this is huge on 15 minutes time frame, and this is about 68,691 points. Okay, that is pure profit, 100% profit, you can imagine. So right now, this actually broke out from the support zone because this had been on downtrend. When the market is on downtrend, it sells. The pullback sells to break out from the structure, and of course have another pullback, then sells to break out from this structure. And right now it has gotten to this region. It is having another pullback, which may likely lead into an uptrend if it succeeds. Okay, because this is at it is at a major um support region. Okay, a major support region, and which is also very, very important. So that is why it is important you understand that part. Okay, so let's check it out. So if it breaks out from this support region, then it will get to this particular region. Okay, so this is where I expect it to get to finally, but if it does not, then this is going to go into full uptrend right from there. So we might experience more buying opportunity from there, but that is if it does not break out from this particular support region. Okay, this particular one. That is if it does not break out from there. If it breaks out from there, then that is it. Okay, so it's going to sell more right from there. Okay, now let's check out GainX 999. Okay, so guys, this is GainX 999. If you should notice, this had been ranging. It had been on uptrend, but it had been, when it got to this particular region, it had been ranging within this region. Okay, and of course I'm going to prove this to you. So let's try and go to 1 hour time frame so see it properly. Okay, this is it. You can see on 15-minute time frame it was buying. Okay, but it didn't buy too far, so it started ranging within this region. So if it should break out below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, because we have free areas to milk right from here. But if it should break out above this region, then we expect it to buy more and may likely get to this particular spot, okay, if it buys more, okay. But if it does not, and it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more, most especially once it breaks out below this particular region, then it's going to sell more and may likely get to this particular spot, okay, this particular spot, okay. So this is very, very important. That is why you need to understand how it works. So if I'm to advise you on any signal around here, I will advise you to wait for the breakout first before you decide the direction of the trend, because as you can see, it has been ranging within this channel, okay. So we should have a better understanding about that, okay. So this is Paynex 1200, still on 15-minute time frame. This actually started an uptrend at this port, okay, and of course bought till it got to this region. But let's see where it is heading to. It is also you have that okay. So as you can see, this on 1 hour time frame, you can see it is coming from the resistance zone, got to this support region, had a pullback, got there again, still had another pullback. So it will be trying it out again. If it should break out from here, then it's going to sell more, and we expect it to get to this spot if it breaks out from here, okay. So we expect more selling opportunity right from there, but we need the breakout first before it can sell. We need it to break out from here, okay. So as you can see, it is also selling at the moment, okay. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity for us. But if you have not been into the trade, you are most likely, I will advise you to wait for the breakout so that you can have a proper trading opportunity for yourself, okay. So this is very, very important, but we should expect more selling opportunity from this particular assets in this week, okay. So this is very, very important. Now let's check out Paynex 999. So for Paynex 999, this actually gave us an option right from this support region. So you pick up if you if you're having this trading tool, I expect it to be in the trade because it has given us a buy signal, an uptrend signal also, okay. And of course a buy signal to support the uptrend signal. You set your stop loss and you allow it to flow, okay. So we expect more buying opportunity from here, okay. First we should expect it to get to this region, then next if it should break out from there, we should be expecting it around here, okay. So this is very, very important. So you can take advantage of this opportunity right from here and see how far you're going to go with it. Now let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80, and of course it was on downtrend before, right from this resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal, and of course it sold till it got to this region. It has not been able to break out from here, so it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend and gave us the buy signal, and this is still buying at the moment, okay. So, and as we can see, right here, it broke a structure at this point, and of course, we expect it to break also at this particular point also. If it should break from here, then definitely it's going to buy more. So we still expect more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity right from here. Okay, so I hope you have a better understanding of how this works. Okay, so in a nutshell, I'm going to explain to you briefly how everything that I have described in this particular video. Okay, so what we are focusing on in this video is the trend trading strategy, and of course this also implies that we will have to understand where the support and resistance zone and of course what happens when it gets to the support and resistance zone. And I said there are two things that can happen from there. It is either there is a breakout either above the resistance zone if it was on uptrend before, or below the support zone if it was on downtrend, okay. So or probably there will be a change in direction of the trend. If it was on uptrend, it will change into a downtrend. If it was on downtrend, it will change into an uptrend. That is if there is no breakout, okay. So that this is very, very important. And of course, once you notice that, it means that you should pick up a signal that supports the trend. set up your trade order, and of course set up your stop loss in order to secure your capital also, while you are expecting more profitable trades for yourself during the process. Okay, so this is very, very important. Once you are able to get this right, then sit tight and watch your trade play out. Okay, and of course, once you are able to achieve your profit, then you close your trades in profit once you achieve your uh, your goal. Okay, then you close your trade in profit, and that is how easy it is. Okay, so you guys can practice this over and over, most especially if you are having this trading tool that will help you to analyze your asset better. Practice it on your demo account, then right from there you can now move to your real account and start trading it once you have perfect your trading skill on your demo account. I will be stopping right here, guys. If you have any other question, feel free to drop your question for me within the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will always be there to reply you. Okay, so watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.